How to install Velin Bendable Double Ceiling Curtain Track. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete Velin Double Curtain Track system, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Velin track is flexibly bendable. For corner installations, simply bend the flexible Velin track to your desired angle. Remove both end side covers before bending the track. Reinstall the side covers after bending and cutting. Insert the connector into the rail slot. Then, tighten the connector with a wrench to lock the rails together into one continuous track. Mark the mounting position on the wall. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws. Secure the mounting brackets. Clip the track onto the brackets. Inner rails first, then outer rails.